Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the air filter. So this is something you can do on your own rather than pay a shop to do it. And it's pretty much the same process on most cars. And so we're going to go ahead and get started here. The first thing you'll want is a 10mm socket. On this particular Yukon, you have to take this bar off. And you don't really have to take the whole bar off, you just want to remove one bolt. And then we're going to swing the bar out of the way. And just watch the mass airflow sensor here. We don't want to damage it at all, but if you lift up and over it, it should clear just fine. Next, we're taking a 5/16 inch socket. And as you can see, on each corner here, there is one screw. And it has a Phillips end too if you want to use a cross point screwdriver, but I'd recommend using the socket. This one's a little difficult to get to. As you can see, you have an air conditioning line that kind of gets in there. So if you pull on the box, you can get it away from there, and then using a longer extension as well, you could get down in there. So you're just going to lift this up, and we're going to pull the filter out. So this is what the filter looks like. And so it has the gasket on the top, and we're just going to put the new one right back down in it. So just make sure that it's facing the right direction, and you want to make sure that you don't have any of the gasket popping out as you set the lid back down on it. So fill around, and then we're just going to put the screws back in and put our bar back in place, and that's how easy it is to change the air filter. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. I have a whole bunch of videos on the Yukon, which is the similar for the Tahoe, the Suburban, the Sierra, Silverado, all the GM trucks. And so I'll put a link to that playlist in the video description if you want to see it and see all the videos on the brake controller, and even getting into some of the more difficult things like fixing the tail lights and the transmission harness and some things like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.